If you've ever wanted to quickly turn a video into a catchy GIF and send it on Telegram, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the surprisingly simple steps to create a GIF on Telegram itself without needing any extra apps or websites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to wow your friends or spice up your group chats with smooth, looping GIFs, all straight from your Android device. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Telegram app on your phone. Simple enough, but make sure you're logged in and everything's up to date just to keep things running smoothly. Next, go to the chat where you want to share your GIF. This could be a one-on-one conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a channel you manage. The process is the same for all. Once you're in the correct chat, look for the Attach button. On Telegram for Android, this is the little paperclip icon down at the bottom of your screen, right next to where you type messages. Go ahead and tap that. You'll see several options pop up, but you want to choose Gallery or wherever your videos are stored on your device. Browse through your videos and pick the one you want to convert into a GIF. If you're like me, sometimes it takes a second to find that perfect clip. Maybe it's a funny moment from a party or a quick highlight from a trip. After you've selected your video, you'll be taken to the preview screen. Here where the magic happens, and it's also where a lot of people miss the key step. On this screen, look for small microphone or volume icon. It could be down near the bottom of the video player or sometimes up near the top, depending on your Telegram version. This icon controls the sound. Tap it once and you'll see it change, usually to a mute symbol, like a little speaker with a line through it or just an X. Often, the label above your video preview switches from video to GIF to let you know you're in GIF mode. What you've done here is mute the audio. This is important because Telegram treats muted short videos as GIFs. It'll send them as looping, soundless clips right in the chat window. Now, if you only want to share a specific snippet from your video, maybe just that 3-second burst of laughter or the part where the dog does a backflip, you can use the trimming handles on the timeline. Just drag the handles at the beginning and end of the timeline to highlight the exact segment you want. Take your time, play the clip back if you need, and don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. The shorter the segment, the more it'll feel like a classic GIF. Once you're ready, all that's left is to tap the send button, the little paper airplane icon. Telegram will do the rest. It processes your trimmed, muted video and sends it as a looping, soundless GIF right into your chat. You and your friends will see it play automatically, giving you that instant shareable moment without any distracting audio. And that's it, you've just turned an ordinary video into a fun, looping GIF using nothing but Telegram on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other Telegram questions or if there's a trick you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.